Okay, so this one is for my content creators. If you want your videos to have better sound effects like this, here is the app. Open your CapCut app, create a new project, cut in the necessary clips and remove the clips you don't want. Once you're done, close the project. Duplicate that project. In the duplicated version, you can now start adding sound effects and audio enhancements to improve the audio quality. Once everything sounds great, play the video from the beginning and screen record it. Now go back to the first video you duplicated. Import the screen recorded video as your audio. Trim it to match the visuals and ensure everything syncs perfectly. Finally, export your video, and there you have it. Better sound effects without having to pay for CapCut Pro. Happy editing!